Do you want to know how you can fix your connection issue in Netflix? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix a connection issue on your Netflix account. Go ahead and open Netflix, which is on your phone. Log into your account and then choose your profile. Tap on your profile again, which you can see on the bottom right-hand corner, and then tap on the settings option, which is the three lines on the top of your screen. Go ahead and tap Help, and you can see Fix a Connection Issue. Tap on it, and it will lead you to a separate portal where you can see most of the common issues faced by users of Netflix. Some of the issues are black screen with no sound, black screen with sound, and other articles. You can go ahead and tap on your problem. If your Netflix isn't able to sign you in, go ahead and tap on Can't Sign In, and you can see a lot of articles and sub-articles within it. This way, you can fix your connection issue in Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.